Diwali is a festival of lights. It is celebrated all over India with great joy and happiness. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, which means row of lighted lamps. Diwali symbolizes spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Children, did you know Diwali celebration goes on for 5 days and each day has its significance?
The festival commences with Vasubaras. It's also known as Govatsa Dwadashi and Nandini Vrata. Cows and calves are worshipped on this day. Cows and calves are fed preparations made by wheat. This day is celebrated by thanking cows for providing families with everything they have. Women of the house perform Go Puja and Sri Krishna Puja on this day to seek blessings from Goddess Lakshmi. Main Diwali begins with the day known as Dhanteras or worship of wealth. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day and there is a custom to purchase something precious. People clean and decorate their homes. The second day is Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. People wake up early and apply aromatic oils on them before taking a bath. This is said to remove all sins and impurities. They wear new clothes after puja and enjoy by lighting diya and bursting few crackers. The third day is main Diwali festival, Lakshmi Puja. Lakshmi Puja is performed on this day. Goddess Lakshmi is believed to enter homes and bless people with good fortune. Fourth day is celebrated in honor of the notional return of the Daitya king Bali to earth. It is called as Bali Pratipada and Padwa. The fifth and the last day is Bhai Dooj, also called as Bhau Beej. On this day, sisters invite their brothers for a lavish meal and perform a tilak ceremony. Sisters pray for their brothers' long and happy life. The brothers give gifts to their sisters. Really, Diwali is the most loved festival and we enjoy it very much.
May this year's Diwali be free from darkness and abundant with light. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.
नवरात्र दसरा संपला की दिवाळीची सुरुवात होते. दिवाळी म्हटलं की नवीन उत्साह, आनंद. दिवाळीची खरेदी, घराची रंगरंगोटी, सजावट यांची सुरुवात. भारतातील महत्त्वाच्या सणांमधला हा एक महत्त्वाचा सण. उल्हासाचा, रोषणाईचा, आनंदाचा आणि प्रेमाने भरलेला. भारतामध्ये सर्व धर्मीय हा सण साजरा करतात. या सणाला जवळजवळ 3000 वर्षापूर्वीचा इतिहास आहे. प्रभू रामचंद्र यांनी 14 वर्षाचा वनवास संपवून आणि रावणाचा वध केल्यानंतर भारतीयांनी त्यांचे स्वागत दीप उत्सवाने केले, दिव्यांच्या रोषणाईने केले. दिवाळी हा सण प्रकाशाचा सण. गौतम बुद्धांनी म्हटले आहे की तुम्ही स्वतः प्रकाश व्हा आणि अंधाराला दूर करा. दिवाळी सणाला मुख्य प्रवेशद्वाराला आंब्याच्या पानाचे व झेंडूच्या फुलांचे तोरण बांधले जाते. तसेच दारामध्ये वेगवेगळे रंग वापरून रांगोळ्या काढल्या जातात. दारात आकाशकंदील व मातीच्या पंत्या लावल्या जातात. लहान मुले किल्ला बनवून त्यावर मातीचे चित्र ठेवतात. नातेवाईक मित्रमंडळी यांना मिष्टान्न भेटवस्तू देऊन नातेसंबंध अधिक बळकट केले जातात व शुभकामना देतात. पहिला दिवस वसुबारस. यावर्षी अश्विन कृष्ण द्वादशी हा दिवस साजरा होईल. हिंदू धर्मात गायीला महत्त्वाचे स्थान आहे. तिचा सन्मान म्हणून या दिवशी गायीची पूजा केली जाते. घरात लक्ष्मीचे आगमन व्हावे म्हणून कामधेनूची पूजा करून तिला नैवेद्य दाखवला जातो. दुसरा दिवस धनत्रयोदशीचा. यावर्षी अश्विन कृष्ण त्रयोदशी या दिवशी धनत्रयोदशी साजरी केली जाईल. या दिवशी देवी धन्वंतरीचा जन्मदिवस असतो म्हणून धनाची देवी धन्वंतरीची पूजा केली जाते व तिचा अभिषेक केला जातो. तिन्ही सांजेला धनाची पूजा करून नैवेद्य दाखवला जातो. तिसरा दिवस नरक चतुर्दशी. अश्विन कृष्ण चतुर्दशी रोजी नरक चतुर्दशी साजरी केली जाते. या दिवशी पहाटे उठून अभ्यंग स्नान करायचे, नवीन कपडे घालायचे, देवाचे दर्शन घ्यायचे आणि सर्वांनी एकत्र जमून दिवाळीचा फराळ करायचा. असा हा आनंद साजरा करण्याचा दिवस. या 5 दिवसांमधील महत्त्वाचा चौथा दिवस म्हणजे लक्ष्मीपूजन. या दिवशी अमावस्या असून देखील हा दिवस शुभ मानला जातो. या दिवशी लक्ष्मी देवी भूतलावर भ्रमण करून भरभराट व समृद्धीचे आशीर्वादाची लूट करते. सायंकाळी लक्ष्मीपूजन केले जाते. या दिवशी व्यापारी व व्यावसायिक आपल्या दुकानांमध्ये भगवान कुबेर आणि माता लक्ष्मीची पूजा करतात. कार्तिक शुद्ध प्रतिपदा. या दिवशी बलिप्रतिपदा म्हणजेच पाडवा साजरा होतो. हा दिवस 3.5 मुहूर्तांपैकी एक मुहूर्त मानला जातो. या दिवशी अनेक नवीन प्रकल्प सुरू केले जातात. पाडव्याच्या दिवशी पत्नी पतीला ओवाळते. पती पत्नीला पाडव्याची भेट म्हणून वस्तू, दागिने व साडी भेट देतो. आणि शेवटचा दिवस भाऊबीज. कार्तिक शुद्ध द्वितीया या दिवशी भाऊबीज साजरी होते. या भाऊ बहिणीच्या अतूट प्रेमाचा दिवस. परंपरेनुसार या दिवशी बहीण भावाने मोठ्या आत्मीयतेने ओवाळते. चांगल्या आरोग्याच्या समृद्धीसाठी भरभराटीची शुभकामना देते. भाऊ देखील आपल्या बहिणीला आवडती भेटवस्तू देऊन आणि आपल्या बहिणीच्या सुरक्षितेसाठी प्रार्थना करतो. दीपावली हा सण सर्वत्र आनंद उत्साहाने साजरा होतो. अज्ञानाचा नाश आणि ज्ञानाचा प्रकाश देणारी ही दिवाळी सर्वांना आनंदाची, भरभराटीची व आरोग्याची जावी हीच शुभकामना. धन्यवाद.
Hello friends, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Today I am going to tell you about Narak Chaturdashi, the second day of Diwali festival. Narak Chaturdashi is also known as Kali Chaudas, Bhoot Chaudas, Choti Diwali, Narak Nivaran Chaturdashi or Bhoot Chaturdashi. Narak Chaturdashi is a Hindu festival which falls on Chaturdashi, that is 14th day of the Krishna Paksha in the Shalivahan Shak Hindu calendar month of Ashwin. It is the second day of 5-day long festival of Deepavali or Diwali. The Hindu literature narrates that the Asura, that is demon, Narkasur was killed on this day by Lord Krishna, Devi Satyabhama and Devi Kali. The day is celebrated by early morning with religious rituals and festivities follow on. Thank you friends.
पाडव्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. शुभ दीपावली.
हॅपी दिवाळी.
Dearest sister, I will protect you in each and every situation throughout my life. Not only as your brother, but also as your mother and father.
Students, do you know why we light the lamps during Diwali festival? So, here I begin. In Hindu tradition, the lighting of diya is an important part of prayer and it signifies purity, goodness, good luck and power. The festival of light falls on the day of Amavasya or new moon day. So, the presence of light means the non-existence of darkness and evil forces. Diwali literally means row of lamps. Legends behind lightnings of lamp. In the northern part of India, the famous tale goes that it was this time when Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after his 14 years of exile with his wife and brother. The people lit lamps to celebrate the return of their king, and thus the tradition of lighting lamps on Diwali became prevalent. Now we shall see why we prepare such a variety of sweets during Diwali festival. By offering sweets, Indians express gratitude, respect and acknowledge the presence of others in their life. Let's agree, we are all soulfully connected to the indulgence of sweet that there is hardly anyone with any dislike against sweets. There are hundreds of varieties of sweets and snacks that are made during Diwali. Families, neighbors, colonies, towns, cities, states, and the entire country joins together in preparing these sweets and celebrating this festival. And the one significant object that binds them together is the diversity in each of these sweets prepared in different regions. A simple act of love in the form of distributing sweets transcends the diversity of the entire country. This authentic brings to you the festival of joy in the form of sweets.
Hello children, wish you a very happy Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights known for the colorful rangolis, rows of diyas and lamps and an assortment of sweets. And how can we forget? Yes, crackers. But dear children, firecrackers are neither safe to use nor good for your health. Every year we come across the news of people getting injured or some accident taking place while lighting firecrackers. Firecrackers also worsen air pollution and increase the risk of respiratory problems, skin allergies, and several other health issues like asthma, lung diseases, and eye burns. Loud noises of firecrackers too result in hearing loss, restlessness, high BP, and sleep disturbance. So here are some major safety precautions while lighting lamps and burning firecrackers to keep your Diwali happy, healthy, and safe. Basically, learn to say no to firecrackers. Use green firecrackers. It does not contain harmful chemicals that would cause pollution. Wear denim, cotton, or khadi clothes as they don't catch fire easily. Burst crackers in an open area with safe distances. Keep your first aid kit ready. If a cracker won't light, soak it in water and throw it away safely. Don't try to reuse. Thank you.
Hello dear children, this is Leena ma'am. I wish you and your family a very happy Diwali from the entire school. Children, enjoy this festival to the fullest. Enjoy with your family and friends. Have a very safe and sound Diwali. I pray to God that let your life be filled with all the joy and happiness. All the best for your future endeavors. So children, have a safe and a sound Diwali. You have already seen the video. You have got all the information of Diwali festival. So enjoy with your family and friends, and once again a very happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
लक्षदीप है उजळली धरी दारी शोभली